Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be talking gas versus diesel engines. So Hemi versus that 6-7 liter Cummins. So obviously, you know, the number one thing that you're going to be looking at, guys, is towing capacity. So if you're somebody who's hauling, say 20,000 pounds or above on a pretty regular basis, you're going to want to go with that big diesel engine, that 6-7 liter Cummins. If you're somebody who's occasionally pulling, you know, under 20,000, maybe around the 10,000, the 15,000 mark on your towing, you're going to want to go with that Hemi engine, guys. It's going to treat you very, very well. Fuel costs, when you're looking at them in the grand scheme of things, with how much better the diesels are over the gas engine, they're going to even out over time. So you're really not too bad off either way that you go. Big point is torque, guys. So in a diesel engine, you're going to be getting up to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, which is really going to help you out when you are towing things. As to where in a gas engine, guys, in that Hemi, you're going to get about 430 foot-pounds of torque on that one. This also goes into where you're hauling. So if you're somebody who's hauling on a pretty regular basis, but you know you're hauling up through like the BC mountains and through those passes, guys, you're going to want to go diesel on that one. It will help you out. Maintenance costs on a 5-year average, you're going to be spending about $6,500 in maintenance on a 5-year average in a diesel engine versus about $4,000 to $4,500 in a gas engine, guys. Big part is Cummins. They are the only engine rated for 500,000 kilometers of life before a major repair is needed. As to where the Hemi, as great of an engine as it is, and we love it, you're going to be looking around that 200 to 250,000 kilometer mark before you're going to start seeing some major upgrades that are needed in that one, guys. So other than that, the other big part is just the cost all along, guys. So when you're looking at a gas engine, you're going to be looking at about $10,000 to $12,000 cheaper than you are in a diesel engine for your upfront cost, but maybe you see some values where a diesel is better in the long run, as well as big thing, guys, is resale value. Diesels hold their value much better than a gas engine does, which is another point that you could take in when thinking for the future on these vehicles. If you have some more questions or anything you need or you're interested, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.